10 things you didn't know your iPhone can do now that you're on iOS 16. Number 1, you can translate text directly from your camera app. This one's super easy. With your camera app, hover over text, tap on the square on the bottom right with these lines in it, and then tap translate on the left side. Boom. Number 2, you can copy and paste edits from one photo to another photo without having to do it manually. Once you're done editing a photo, tap on done on the bottom, tap on the 3 dots on the top right, copy edits, head to the photo you want to paste the edits to, tap on the 3 dots on the top right, and paste edits. Number 3, you can shuffle wallpaper backgrounds on your lock screen. In settings, go to wallpaper. You can add a new wallpaper. Go to photo shuffle in purple on the top left. Hit choose photos manually, and then go ahead and select all the photos you want to add. Tap add at the top right. And the cool thing is, if you go to the 3 dots on the bottom right, you can tap on how often they shuffle. I like to do on tap because then every time you tap the screen, it'll change the photo. Number 4, you can copy an image and remove the background all in one tap. Let's say you search for an image on Google and want to get rid of the background. Just tap and hold the image, copy subject. Now when you paste it, there'll be no background. Number 5, you can copy text directly from videos. If you're watching a video on iPhone's video player, just tap and hold on the text, and you can do the same thing you would with any other text. Number 6, you can finally see and copy a Wi-Fi password directly from settings. This one's pretty self-explanatory. Just go to Wi-Fi, tap on the I next to your network, tap on password, and after you open Face ID, it'll show you your password. Number 7, you can enable vibration feedback when you type on your keyboard. For this one, head to Sounds and Haptics, go down to Keyboard Feedback, and tap on Haptic. Number 8, you can use the same passcode you use for your iPhone to lock your notes. Head to Notes and Settings, go to Password, and tap Use Device Passcode. Now your locked notes will have the same passcode as your device does. Number 9, you can make conversions of measurements and currencies directly from your camera. Hover over a measurement with your camera, tap on the square with the lines in it bottom right, then tap on the convert on the left side. Cheating on homework has never been so easy. Finally, number 10, you can prevent your lock button from ending a phone call. For this one, let's go to Accessibility and Settings, go to Touch, and now Prevent Lock to End Call. Now if you lock your phone while you're on a call, it won't hang up. Here's a bonus one for you. All the photos in your hidden album and your recently deleted folder, they're locked behind Face ID now. Follow for more tips.